Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete account in monday.com. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First step is to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now this will expand this menu where you have to click on this gear icon which says administration. This will open up your administration settings, and you will have to go right here into billing and click on overview. Now here you have the option to close my account, so click on that. Now in order to confirm closing your account, just click on this red button, close account. Just keep in mind that if you close your account, you and your team will not be able to access any of your work and boards. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.